Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm gonna talk about how to fix iPhone is not showing up in iTunes and how we can fix it. So let's get started. So as you can see right now I'm using my iPhone over here and I try to connect my iPhone using the cable and the iPhone is connected, but if I go over here to the iTunes, as you can see the phone is not getting detected. So this issue is happening for many users right now and how we can fix it. So to do so, the first and foremost step is all about what you need to do is we have to go over here in the search and either you can search here for the settings. Now click on the settings. Once you get into the settings, on the left side you have to click on the apps. From here click on installed apps. Now from here you have to search for Apple Music. Just search like this. Now click on the Apple Music. Over here you can see this. Click on the three-dot menu and go for uninstall. Just go for uninstall the Apple Music. So one of the reason why this is happening, the culprit here is the Apple Music. So try uninstalling the Apple Music first. Keep in mind that uninstalling the Apple Music might take a little bit of time. Just wait for this. So guys, after uninstalling the Apple Music, what you need to do is we have to go over here. If you're on the iTunes, you have to close this. Now what you need to do is you have to try opening back the iTunes once again. You have to open it once again. So let me open the iTunes once again. Now once the iTunes is there, you have to try connecting your iPhone using the cable once again. Now as you can see, I am able to show up my phone here. So this is the first step. So most probably uninstalling the Apple Music is going to work, and if you click on this you can see right now it is getting connected. But for some users, even after trying the first step, it won't work. If that is the case, what you need to do is you have to close your iTunes, go back to the settings once again. Now from here, you have to go to the iTunes here. You will be able to find it here. Go over here, you can type here for iTunes. Now search here for the iTunes and click on the three-dot menu. Go for uninstall. Just uninstall your iTunes. Once you uninstall the iTunes, you have to re-download back the iTunes. Then after you re-download back, you have to try opening your iTunes here. Then you have to try connect back the iPhone once again. And most probably you will be able to find it. Right now as you can see, it will be able to find it. So you will be having your iPhone will be showing up on the iTunes and you will not be having any kind of trouble. And also keep in mind, this is very important. So this is the latest version of Windows that I'm using, Windows 11. If you're using the older version of Windows, what you need to do is in order to settings, not the settings, you can just search here for control panel and now search here for the control panel. Use the control panel in order to uninstall both Apple Music and iTunes. That's what it is. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more these kind of videos. That's it. Bye.